Imoo Watch Phone Z6. Z6 is equipped with dual cameras, 5 megapixel for the front camera and 8 megapixel for the rear camera. With this dual camera feature, making HD video calls with children is easier and more fun. Parents get more peace when they can see the state of the environment through the rear camera. Parents can control the mode from the front camera to the rear camera or vice versa through the application. Capturing childhood is our job, not only for children, but parents can also see the environment around their children and witness their growth. With the best components, Imoo Watch Phone Z6 can be used in water up to a depth of 2 meters. Parents can be calmer when their children are active in water. Customized AMOLED with Super Retina display. The specially designed AMOLED material can emit less blue light so as to protect your little one's eyesight. The rear camera is hidden when the watch is folded. Personalize the flip mode function. 100,000 flip mode trials already done. The case is protected with a TPU layer so it is not easy to break. With Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear Series, developed for watch TOP stacked packages, 25% lower power usage, 680 mAh silicon anode battery. Supported by 8 types of positioning, the child's positioning becomes more accurate anytime and anywhere. Parents are calmer when children explore the outside world. Parents remain calm because they can schedule their children's study hours. During class hours, Imoo only functions as a regular watch. After completion, the application function can be returned as before. Parents will receive notifications whenever their child leaves the registered home and school. Enjoy face-to-face video conversations with your child at any time. Limit contact to only preset contacts with Reject Unknown Call feature. Message with your child from the Imoo app and share in their daily activities. Text, voice messages, emojis, photos, and short videos can be sent both ways. We hope you enjoyed today's show. Like the video, press the bell icon for upcoming video notifications, and enjoy next video of ours.